As I mentioned, I wasn't able to watch any Jin Dicon, the Icon magazine unboxing vlog, so this is really the first time to know what is inside. So if you can notice, this is a magazine part, and this foam part is the other items, the other inclusions items of the individual, the Icon set for Jin. So let's just see first all the items together. Wow. Ooh. Wow. And ooh. This one is nice. So if you can see, this is the cover of the magazine. I think this is the wow. It's heavy. It's around some sort of kilos. So let's wow. This one is a heavy book. Wow. This one is big. Let's compare it to the premium photo of Jin. This is the premium photo of Mouth of the Soul, and this is the magazine. So it's quite big for the magazine. Wow, it's heavy. The magazine is heavy. Winter 2021 Dispatch Magazine issue 10, $32 US. Jin. Whoa. Wow. Oh, look, the Icon Bts Jin Dispatch. As I said, I wasn't really able to watch any unboxing vlogs of. Ooh, issue number 10. At the back is color white theme of Jin. Oh, I think this is worth it. So let's see the other items. Photo card set. Wow, there's a signature of Jin at the back. What is this? Oh, look guys, it's a 2021 February, 2022 January. So it's like a card, lenticular card. Oh, look guys. Oh, I think one lenticular card, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wow, that one's amazing. What is this? It's like, oh, there's a stamp of Jin. Wow, it's a red envelope. And keychain, keyring, acrylic keyring set of. So acrylic keyring set of Jin. There's an envelope here. Ooh, that's nice. And this one, lenticular cards and photo card. And of course, we have the magazine. So this is a complete set of the Icon Jin magazine arrived in Philippines. So where do we start first? Let's start with the Jin photo cards. I'm not sure how many pieces is. Oh, oh, it's broken already. So we need to be extra careful with this seal. Photo card. Ooh, wow. I think this is the first photo card. I think this is the back portion. Oh no, it looks the same. Wow. It has a signature at the back. This is the second photo card for Jin. Wow. Second one. Facing sideways. Signature also. The third one. Wow. He's wearing a hat. He's wearing something. Like a Christmas theme perhaps. This is the fourth photo card of Jin. Wow. It's a glossy. Oh, it's not the typical album photo card. It's like a matte or glossy style photo card. Oh, this one. Is this the fifth one? I guess. Fifth photo card of Jin. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 photo cards. So next up, let's try to open this acrylic or no, this one is lenticular cards. I think this one is the guide. These are all the pictures perhaps. Let's try to see. Oh wow, this one is amazing. Look at the lenticular. Oh, 2021 card calendar. So this one is card calendar, Dicon issue. Oh wow, I love the acrylic, the lenticular. Oh, there's the birth date of Jin. I can see it there. Jin 1992, 21 or December 4. I can see also a signature. Ayun, there. There's a signature of Jin, if you can notice. The other one, birth date of Jin. Wow, this lenticular card is so beautiful. Nothing at the back. Oh, February 2021. J-Hope birthday. Wow. This is the first card after the lenticular one. Ooh, it's a back-to-back. It's a back-to-back calendar card. Ooh, that's nice. This is the back portion. Next, March 3, 2021. Suga's birth month. This is the back portion of the card. Next, now it's April already, so I think this card is applicable to us. April 2021. And the back portion is this one. Next, my birth month, May 2021. And the back looks like this. I think it's better that the cards, if these calendar cards have their own stand, perhaps own standee, I guess, so we could use it more. Or maybe you can place it at your desk or wall. Place it, stick it in your wall. Wow, the June 2021 white back version. There's something on the screen there. So it's nice. July 2021. Oh, it's not a white edition anymore. Oh, bubbles. Oh, I thought this one is a screen. It's bubbles. August 2021. At the back is... Oh, there's a lot. This is the back version for August 2021. Next one, September. Black and white 2021. Oh, birthday of Jungkook NRM. The back portion for September 2021. October 2021. At the back is darker background. We also have November of 2021. At the back, wow, November 2021. December 2021, of course, is a Christmas theme. Of course, the birthday of Jin is here. And V. And the back portion looks like this one. Ooh, this one is nice, like a Christmas theme, Valentine theme. December card. January 2022. Wow. The back portion is. And the other card is like the summary of all the calendar cards per month. So how many cards do we have? Aside, including the lenticular one. We have 1, 2. It starts with February 2021. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 calendar cards. Wow. So let's review. Let's have it backwards this time. Like this. Okay. These are all the cards at the back portion. Like bubbles. Thought this one is a screen. Wow. Ooh. And the lenticular. Next item, let's try to open this letter. It's like Bts Jin Dicon. It's like an envelope, red envelope, paper. BTS goes off. Ooh. Oh. It's the Christmas theme cards, I guess. Ooh. Ooh. Happy holiday, Jin, and Happy New Year, BTS Dicon. Wow. Oh. Oh. It's like a accordion. Ooh. It's an accordion book. Like an accordion stand, I guess. Ooh, it's a Christmas theme. Let's see the other portions. Yeah, it's a Christmas theme. Ooh, I love you, Ami. Ooh, it's a pencil pen writing of Jin. Let's see the back portion. There are a lot of other pictures with other members. Suga. This is another one. It's like a acrylic stand, perhaps, or paper. Ooh, it's eating a donut, I guess. Signature. Wow, all the members are here. So it's nice. So let's try to open it as accordion type. Ooh. So this is the accordion of Jin, the Icon magazine. Wow, that's nice. The back portion looks like this with the other members. Ooh, wow. This one is nice. I think it can stand alone itself. Oh, no? Yeah. I think it can stand alone itself. It came from here. Nice. Also, we have the very old acrylic keyring set, the Icon of Jin. So, I've been wanting to have an acrylic keychain or keyring, and I waited for the Icon keychain or keyring of Jin. So, I'm happy to stand here. Oh, I go. Whoa. It's a gold plated. Oh, it's a light keychain. It's not a heavy keychain compared to. Oh, and this one is a small. It's only a small hook for the keychain, and it's really smooth and light of gold rings. So it's not really a heavy. It's not a heavy keychain or keyring. I think this one is the protection. So I'm not gonna remove first the protection to avoid any scratches. Oh, okay. There's a plastic here for you to remove. So it's a one-sided picture acrylic of Jin, the black version, that one, and the other page or the other cover, the white version. Okay, let's try to remove this blue. Oh no, I can't remove to avoid scratches perhaps for now. Maybe we should not remove. Okay, let's try to remove. How to remove? So okay, we'll remove it in some other time. So this is a key ring. Key. So guys, look at the acrylic keyring. I did try to remove the plastic, the blue plastic that I think is protecting the image inside, but look, this is the removed portion of the blue plastic or cover. So I think it's like a unclear. It turns out it became an unclear part, so I decided not to remove the rest of the said blue cover. So I think I'm not sure what is this blue. Is it the design? No, I think it's like a cover or protector of the image. But if I did remove the blue one, I removed, but look at the portion where I removed it. The acrylic part of this one became unclear of Jin. So if I remove everything until at the head, from the bottom to the head, it will be unclear. At the back, there's no picture or image. So I'm not sure what is the use of this blue protector, perhaps. So it became unclear acrylic. So I'll just leave it as it is for now for acrylic keyring. And finally guys, the last item, the most important item of the Jin Dicon issue set volume issue 10 winter 2021 dispatch magazine for $32. I think I bought the English version. Of course, this is the most important item, the magazine. This is the back, two covers. Wow. And it's heavy. It's like, I think if you have winter package photo book, I guess it's like a it's weighted like that. So it's a heavy photo book or magazine. So I hope we can finally have or see what is inside. A very good look inside. Let's go. is the photo card of Jin that I got from the group version of the Icon Bts magazine. I got it from the group version. This is the Jin photo card. While this one is a poster of Jin from the Icon group magazine cover or part. I already stick it. This is a poster of Jin. And that's it guys for my The Icon Jin cover magazine unboxing. I hope you enjoyed. This is a very great buy and collection. I hope all the Jin fans and the BTS fans will have their own copy. This is nice. It's really great buy. All the photo cards, the other items, the lenticular are all okay. So I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. See my other vlogs. Thank you. 감사합니다. Continue watching and supporting my YouTube channel is at SEOKDOM Vlogs. 안녕. 감사합니다.